Good afternoon, grade 1. How are you today? I hope you are fine. Welcome to our second phonics class. Do you remember the sound we took in the previous lesson? Yes, it is S. Today we are going to learn a new sound. Look at the picture. In the picture, we can see the Smiths family. They have gone for a picnic. In the picture, we can see Adam and his sister Annie. We can see in this picture, Adam is eating an apple. 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 And around the family, we can see some ants. Ants. There are many ants around them.
The Smith family is going on a picnic. The children help their mother pack the food. Adam packs the apples. Annie helps to make the jam sandwiches. At last they are ready and set off for the picnic. When they arrive, they sit down and spread out a cloth and lay the food on it. Annie rubs her arm. "Something is tickling me," she says. "Something is tickling me too," says Adam, eating his apple. "Ah, ah, ah, ants!" shouts Annie. They all look at Annie and see some ants crawling up her arm. They all jump up. There are ants all over the picnic cloth. "Oh dear," says Dad. "We must have put our cloth over an ant's nest." They pack up their things and move to a nicer spot.
Did you like the story, my lovely students? Did you see how the ants were tickling Annie's arm? She was scared. Ah, ants! Now, listen to the song.
Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm, they're causing me alarm. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm. Ants on my arm, they're causing me alarm.
Now, dear students, let's see some words with the sound A.
Apple. 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 A is for astronaut. 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 A is for alligator. 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 A is for avocado. 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 A is for angry. 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 A is for ant. 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 A is for arrow. 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 A is for anchor. 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 A is for ambulance. 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 A is for axe. Axe. Axe.
Okay, great students. Hope you learned some new words. Now, watch the letter formation video.
Writing the letter A. Round the apple, up and down with a flick. Apple. round the apple, up and down with a flick. And. Round and up and down with a flick. Arrow. Round and up and down with a flick. Round and up and down with a flick.
Now, let's move to the tracing task in Jolly Phonics book. Look at the words. We are going to circle the sound A. Number 1, ants, angry, apple, jam, hat. Then, let's see the 4 lines where we are going to trace A sound. We've got 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. We should write A between 2 and 3. Let's trace. Round, down, up, down, flick. Again. Round, down, up, down, flick. We start from the top and then we go down, round, up, down, flick, and so on. The last one, up, down, flick. And be careful with the direction. We shouldn't start from the bottom. See? No, that's wrong. Again, see? Again, that's wrong. We should start from line 2. Yes, up, down, flick. That's right.